Nahum, the minor prophet. Nahum served as a prophet to Judah from 663 to 612 BC. During his time, Manasseh, one of the Judah's most wicked kings, ruled the land. He openly defiled God and persecuted God's people. Assyria, the world power at that time, made Judah one of its vassal states. The people of Judah wanted to be like the Assyrians, who seemed to have all the power and possessions they wanted. But the main message over here is the mighty empire of Assyria that oppressed God's people would soon tumble. The importance of this book is those who do evil and oppress others will one day meet a bitter end, the punishment from God. God has given the people of Nineveh a chance to repent, which they did after hearing Jonah. That we can see that in the book of Jonah. But they had returned to their sin, and its consequences were destroying them. There is a point for people, cities, and nations after which there is no turning back. Assyria had passed that point. We must warn others to repent while there is still time. Nineveh had used its beauty, prestige, and power to seduce other nations. Like a harlot, she had enticed them into false friendships. Then, when the other nations relaxed, thinking Assyria was their friend, Assyria destroyed and plundered them. Beautiful and impressive on the outside, Nineveh was vicious and deceitful on the inside. Beneath attractive facades sometimes lie seduction and death. Don't let an institution, company, movement, or person seduce you into lowering your standards or compromising your moral principles. No power on earth can protect us from God's judgment or be a suitable substitute for His power in our lives. Don't insist on learning these through personal experience. Instead, learn the lessons history has already taught us. Put your trust in God above anything else. All the nations hated to be ruled by the merciless Assyrians, but the nations wanted to be like Assyria, powerful, wealthy, prestigious, and they courted Assyria's friendship. In the same way, we don't like the idea of being ruled harshly, so we do what we can to stay on good terms with a powerful leader. And deep down, we would like to have that power, but power is seductive, so we should not try to get or hold on to it. Those who lust after power will be powerfully destroyed, as was the mighty Assyrian Empire. May the Lord be with you. God bless you all.